If you've fitted these fantastic AG01 Mini gimbals to your RadioMaster Zorro, you'll find that both the sticks are self-centering, and depending on whether you fly in mode 1, mode 2, one of them will be throttle and you'll need that to not self-center. So in this video I'll show you how to easily adjust that, how to adjust the throw on these sticks, and how to adjust the tension, all without taking the case apart. Hello and welcome to the Whirly Bloke channel. This is YouTube. You know what to do. Subscribe and hit the bell for more videos like this. When you get your AG01 Mini gimbals, you do get a little hex key like this to make the adjustments, but actually it's a little bit fiddly, and I'm sure you've probably got something like this. So I fly mode 2, so I'm going to adjust this stick so that it doesn't self-center on that movement. It's really easy. You find there's two adjusters on the back, one here and one here. This one, if you screw it in, it disengages the spring, or it winds it all the way out. There we go, it's starting to go. Really simple. You don't need to wind it too far. And now we have got a non-centering throttle control. Now if you want to adjust the sort of stickiness or the stiffness of this, that adjuster there, if you wind it in, don't go too mad with this, it needs to go a little bit further. That's just a little bit stiffer. So depending on what you want, you can make that as stiff or as loose as you like. I tend to like the throttle fairly loose, so that I can just flick it down. This needs to be a little bit looser for me. There we go, that's done. Now if you want to adjust the tension on this side you can, but this is more about setting the non-centering of the throttle control. Now the other thing you can do on here is adjust the throw on here. Now I like to have as much throw as possible. I don't know why, but it's worth experimenting, and if you've got a personal preference, this is really easy, a little bit counterintuitive. So there are two adjusting screws on here. There's one here and one here. Now if you pull that all the way back, it's going right up to the end stop. But if you turn this in, if you can see, but it's gradually pulling the stick this way. That's as far as it will go. So that now doesn't come all the way down. And if you want to adjust the throw this way, you can do the same thing here. You watch as I turn it in, you'll probably see it moving. There we go. So you've got limited movement. You may want that to just restrict the maximum throw on the throttle because it feels nice, or because you want to limit the amount of throttle that you get. Anyway, that's it. Adjusting the sticks on these AG01 Mini gimbals, it really is utterly trivial, and RadioMaster have made this really great because you don't actually have to do it inside. You can do it from the outside and you can tweak it afterwards. Thanks for watching, and if you found that helpful, why not subscribe or maybe buy me a coffee to support the channel. I'll see you next time.